In Barcelona and Melbourne, much of the emphasis was on the city post-COVID. Ho Chi Minh is rather unique in terms that you tend not to worry about what has happened and worry more about what is going to happen. We really want to focus on how you exist in the city and your relationship to the city. In other words, your mood or how you feel about the city. Please understand, the map of the city can be just a circle. If you've got a good idea about the shape of the city, try and think about the districts. Obviously then, where you live and where you wake up. It doesn't need to be accurate, it can be a dot on the sheet of paper.